Welcome back to the Salsa Beat. I'm Erica.
And I'm Juan-2-3, and today we're talking about my favorite turn combo, the left to right. It's one of those moves that go perfectly back to back because when you finish leading a left turn, he ends on one, and the right turn starts on one.
So today in our level 2 lesson, we're going to go over the most basic version of the left to right, which is the basic left into the basic right. If you're liking these free lessons, we'd love it if you comment, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff down below, and let's get to it.
Here goes the version we're gonna do today because there's so many ways of doing a left turn, but pretty much I'm gonna go 6, 7. I'm gonna use both hands to lead the left turn while also using both hands to lead the right turn. And as simple as that. Now let's break it down.
All right, followers, let's go ahead and face the right.
Leaders, go ahead and face the left. Let's connect. Now, instead of getting to the footwork and everything, let's just break down the hands. Okay, so let's do the prep on 2 for the left turn. So I'm gonna go 1 and I prep on 2. Her shoulder went forward. Now on 3, 4, 5, since I'm leading this turn with both hands, my right hand is just gonna go simply up and stay the same connection. While my left hand is gonna go 3, 4, 5, and the connection's gonna change. So keep that in mind as we try this next time together. Here we go, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time, here we go, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm just thinking about how can I be light and go with his hands. I'm not trying to go ahead of him, so he has to catch up, but I'm also not trying to weigh him down or squeeze.
So keep that in mind one more time and let's stop on 5. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now on 5, the one thing you got to consider is that usually our hands are not here. The lady's already started her turn, so the hands are going to be like this. I'm saying this because now we're going to try this with our footwork. Here we go. 5, 6, and basic, and 1. And here we go. Both hands up on 5. Take your time. 2, 3, 4, 5. So on 5, I'm looking at my watch, and notice how the lady's still able to look at me over her shoulder.
The hardest part here for us followers is to keep our shoulders down because he's bringing both of our arms up. So see what you can do to draw those shoulders down and keep a long neck here.
So that's my 5. Let's try that again all the way, and let's stop on 5 again. Here we go. Right away. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's now go through the 6, 7. I go 6, 7, and on 1 through 8 through 1, this hand kind of scoops and it gets to the other side. The reason I scoop is because if I don't, I'm going to block her face, and I want to look at her face when I'm doing this 6, 7 all the way through 1. Let's try again from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, and basic, and 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Prep on 2. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. So this connection right here is what we call pretzel hands. You realize that her wrists are very close to each other. She's kind of like a Wonder Woman with her superpowers. So that's a good cue for you to know that you're leading this right. If their arms are like this, then it's going to be a little bit harder to lead. Keep her wrists close to each other. Let's try that again. And don't forget the scoop on 8 and 1. Smile. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Twist on 2 and go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1.
For us followers, we are feeling like our body's now twisting to the left, or we can think of it as we're winding up for our right turn now.
Now, if you know by now, actually you should know by now that our right turn, the prep is on 1. So on 2, 3, all the way through 5, let's lead the right turn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1.
All right, now it's just time to practice and get it all into our muscle memory just by doing it repetition over and over. So we're going to start off with counts, slow, medium, and fast, and then music. So let's go.
Let's have some fun. This is the fun part, people. Here we go. Let's remember all those things. Remember, first put on your smile. And here we go. Start with the basic step. 5, 6, and slow. And 1, 2, 3. And here we go. Prep on 2. 1, 2, 3. Up. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 6, 7. Draft 1, 2, 3. Switch the hand. Basic step. And 1, 2, 3. Again. 6, 7, and twist. 2, 3. Look at your watch. Scoop the hands. Keep your neck nice and long. And 5, and 6, 7. And now we speed it up. And 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3.
Here we go.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5,
Scoop.
6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1,
Basic. 2, 3. Here we go.
5, 6,
Twist her
7.
shoulders. 1,
2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6,
and faster. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Switch the hand basic. Here we go. Twist on 2 and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, and basic step and switch the hand again. And here we go. Last time. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. High five. Whoop, bam. Whoop, bam.
All right, we're going to do it with music. I'm going to be practicing spotting my partner, but also spotting behind me. And I'm going to be practicing keeping my chin up and eyes straight ahead, not looking at the ground. So those are a couple of things that you can keep in mind and practice during this music session.
And as we do this, in order to add more movement to the movement, we're going to be doing a crossbody lead in between the left turns. That way you guys move from place to place. You don't feel like you're stuck in the same place. Plus, you get to see a different view of us doing the same move. Hopefully, we'll give you different pointers. But without further ado, let's connect. Here we go. Basic steps. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1. Here we go. Prep on 2, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Pretzel hands, right turn, and basic step. You could choose to do this if you want. It's up to you. Here we go, crossbody lead. Let's switch sides. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's try that one more time. Here we go, twist. 2, 3, 6, 7. Look at your watch. 2, 3, smile. 6, 7 again.
Make sure you're looking at your partner.
And crossbody lead. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. No counts. Twist on 2. Always smile. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and cross body lead. And 1, 2, 3. A little faster. And 1,
2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. Here we go. 5, 6, and
look at her.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5,
Stay
6,
close
7.
to her.
1, 2,
Cross
3,
body lead.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Same thing for us. Stay close to your partner.
Here we
5,
go.
6, 7. 1, 2, 3.
Your little
5,
steps.
6, 7. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7.
Basic.
1, 2, 3.
Cross body lead.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6,
And go.
7. 1, 2. 5, 6.
You're gonna keep your shoulders
1,
down.
2. 5, 6, 7. 1,
2, 3, and cross body lead. And
1, 2, 3 without counts. Alright, you hear that
Faster.
montuno. It's time to go faster.
95 BPM. Here we go. Cross body lead. Go. Right there, if you notice, I changed my 6, 7. Cross body lead. You're gonna try the same thing one more time. Here we go. I use a rock step.
Make sure you're cupping your hands, follows.
Cross body lead. Here we go again. I'm gonna try a different one. I'm gonna try a side step. Nice. 6, 7. Here we go. Cross body lead.
Look at your partner, don't look at the ground.
Side step. Here we go. Nice.
Yeah.
Give yourselves a high five.
High five, bam. All right, we did it. We finished another lesson. Congratulations.
So we hope you enjoy that. You know, we try to offer you a quick breakdown of how to connect these moves. We encourage you to go play with it. Today we only taught you one variation, but we told you before there's many ways of doing things. If you look at our right turn video, you realize that there's 7 ways to lead a right turn. So I encourage you to check that video out as far as connections. But once again, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and peace out.